on, guys? We're back, and today I'm in the toilet with my bestie, Kelsey. Woo woo! We're gonna do some weird stuff in the toilet. Let's go underwater.
I'm back.
Whirlpool!
Whirlpool.
Okay, blow!
It worked.
It kind of worked.
Plop in there without hurting myself? I'm not
Ready?
plopping.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I plopped.
See? It's not so fast. That was good.
Plop.
Clap.
I plopped.
What is going on?
Ta-da!
Oh my. Oh,
Are you okay?
can you breathe? Send help.
Roll away. Okay, sprinkler.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a fish. Okay, let's go.
Batter up.
Batter up.
Foul ball.
Oh yeah.
All right. Another foul ball. Can we strike her out? And sushi or pizza?
I can't even decide.
Hot dogs or hamburgers? Salad or pizza?
Pizza?
Yeah, you just have to stand. Pizza was the second choice.
Oh! I did that wrong. I did that wrong.
All right.
Nice.
I lied.
Chipotle or Qdoba?
Okay, I'm really stretched. I got
Stand up, stand up.
You go, look.
I'll wait.
Summer or winter?
There you have it, guys. Swimming with my bestie, Kelsey. She came into the toilet. She joined the weird stuff fam. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which part of the video was your favorite. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Bye, everybody.